Good morning, class 6 student. Now we are continue chapter 12. We are start chapter 12, ratio and proportional. In previous video we have done chapter 11. So here total 14 chapter. Now till chapter 11 is done. Now chapter 12 start. So first we discuss some important fact of this chapter, because these are very important. With the use of these fact we can solve all worksheet. So to remember, first is the comparison of two quantities or numbers of the same type is usually done by subtraction. So comparison of two quantities means any two number of the same type is usually done by subtraction. Subtraction के थ्रू हम कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. Now in many situations this can also be done by division. In other any situation we can find comparison by division. हम division करके भी उनमें comparison find कर सकते हैं. The next topic is the ratio of two numbers x and y is written as x ratio y. So we can write the ratio in this form, x ratio y. Now next is the ratio of two numbers is usually expressed in their lowest form. Means any given ratio we can explain lowest form is we find the simplest. We cut the both number on the same by the same number. So we can write in the lowest form. The next is the first term of a ratio is called antecedent and the second term is called consequent. Ratio has no unit. रेशियो में कोई भी यूनिट नहीं होती. एज सेंटीमीटर, मीटर, किलोमीटर, एरा वी कांट राइट एनी यूनिट इन द रेशियो. एन इक्वलिटी ऑफ टू रेशियो इज कॉल्ड प्रोपोर्शनल. इफ बोथ रेशियो आर इक्वलिटी देन वी call proportional. The term ABCD are said to be in proportional if AB is equal to C upon D or AD is equal to BC. Both are same because we can cross multiplication of both number, A multiply D and B multiply by C. So these are called proportional. In proportional, product of extreme is equal to product of means. Suppose any two ratio are given, so A ratio B and proportional C ratio D. So product of extreme is equal to product of means. Mean means the both term of mid B and C, and extreme is so both number of outer side. बाहर की तरफ दो नंबर होते हैं इट इज कॉल्ड एक्सट्रीम, और अंदर की तरफ जो दो नंबर्स होते हैं इट इज मीन्स. सो इट इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन्स इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम. द ऑर्डर of ratio is very important, that is A ratio B is not equal to B ratio A. Similarly, the order of terms in the proportional is also very important. So it is not equal because in ratio it is order of terms in the proportional is very important, because A ratio B is not equal to B ratio A. Both are not same. Next is if ABC are in continued proportional, then A upon B is equal to B upon C or B square is equal to AC. When we multiply by B and B and A to C cross multiplication, so it is also we can write also this form B square is equal to AC, because when ABC only three number are given. A ratio may be treat as a fraction, thus the ratio 5 ratio 3 may be treat as 5 upon 3. So a ratio may be treated as a fraction. Thus the ratio 5:3 may be treated as 5.3. So we can write any fraction. Suppose it is given 5:3. So we can write this 5/3 as a fraction form. Both are same. The next is two ratios are equivalent if the fraction corresponding to them are equivalent. Thus 3:2 is equivalent to 6:4 or 12:8. So when we we can write the simplest of 6:4 or 12:8. So it is equal to 3:2. So all are same. The given ratio are same. The method of finding the values of a unit item on the basis of the given information and then the value of the desired quantity of the same item are called unitary method. Means the method of finding the value of a unit items. Suppose we can understand from one take example. Suppose the given value of one items and we can ask find the value of more items. Suppose the cost of one pen is 5 rupees, then we ask to cost of 10 rupees 10 pens. So 10 or 15 pens. So we calculate these all the values from the unitary method. So given information and then the value of the desired quantity of the same item is called the unitary method. Suppose the given 5 the cost of 5 items and we ask to cost of 15 items. So first we find the one item's cost, then we multiply by 15 to find the 15 item cost. So the process of this process is called unitary method. So student, it is some important fact of this chapter. In next video we will discuss the worksheet 12.1. Thank you.